Okay, so we want to be able to show length and width here, so we can factor first. Okay, I know this is going to be plus 3 plus 4. Okay, or I can go the other way around. I can start with the area and come up with my length and width. Okay, x squared plus 12. I know it's got to multiply to 12, add to 7. That's 4x and 3x. Okay, so I end up with plus 3 and x plus 4 along here. Again, with these leading coefficients, you can guess and test this, but what would be useful is using that diagonal product. So 2x squared minus 7, this is going to be negative 14x squared, and I need to add to negative 5, or have a difference of 5, and multiply to 14. That's going to be negative 7 and positive 2. My common factor here is negative 7 and 2x. This is going to be 1x and 1. Okay, and again, we can double check this by multiplying this through. But however way you do it, okay, we are really interested in just getting the right factoring. Okay, you can do it. I don't mind if you use some different method. Okay, but whatever method you use, you have to be good at it, and you have to be able to do all sorts of different complicated ones, especially these leading coefficient ones. Whatever strategy you use, get good at it, because you have to be able to factor and factor accurately, correctly, and quickly. So this last one here, okay, I've got 12x squared, negative 6. I've got negative 72x squared. I know that those two factors add up to positive x. Well, the factors that are closest together are 8 and 9. So I'm going to use positive 9, negative 8. Now, it doesn't matter which way I put it, to be quite honest. I can do it either way. I can do it 9x at negative 8. It'll still work. What just happens is I switch my horizontal to my vertical, and my vertical to my horizontal factors. So here I factor out my common factor of 3x. Here the common factor is going to be negative 2. Horizontally I get 4x, and horizontally I get positive 3. Okay, and just you can double check this, make sure it all works out. Yeah, all those areas work out. I've got the right factor. So I end up with 3x minus 2 and 4x plus 3. Okay, so that's how we factor. There's lots of different ways it can be done. I've showed you just a couple ways. However, what's important is that you do this correctly, accurately every time, and you do it efficiently, because you're not going to have all day to do this. Okay, you're not going to be marked on your factoring. You're going to be marked on doing some work with factors. So you have to be able to factor, and you have to be able to factor efficiently and accurately.